Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine, and let's go ahead and do some steam. Customer was having issues of debris in the boiler, so we opened up the boiler and cleaned it all out. You can see it looks good. Okay, now we'll turn off the steam and do a cooling flush of the boiler. So we can pull a shot. There's just a little bit of coffee in there, floating on top. Sorry, I had the wrong container there for a minute. There's a nice shot of espresso. There's the puck. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.